Hi, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Zinzino balance test. So you would have received a balance test, and this informational video is to show you how to do this for yourself at home. So first you want to open up the packet. So you've got the box here and there are a few components. It will come with the box and also an Australian Post letter so that you can post it to the Queensland head office and they can get it to Norway within 1 day. It comes with a drying biohazard bag, and this is where the test results go in. It also comes with a Norwegian post bag which sends it to the lab, and it has your unique identifying code and also your test kit there. And then you also get 2 lancets, an alcohol swab and a cotton piece of paper with instructions. So the first step is to tear off your unique code. And then what I do is I actually write the date so I know what day I've tested myself. Then you have the filter paper with the 2 circles where you want to drop the blood sample. So you get an alcohol swab there, just swab a finger that you're choosing to prick. This one here is a very simple news lancet, that's just the cap. Shake up your hand, you can hold your finger like this and you want to click it on the side, 1, 2, 3, and you should see a bit of blood drop will come through. And what we're doing here is actually dropping the blood onto the paper, so it would just flow like that. And I will keep doing this. Probably be easier if I lean it down. So you just let it flow through there. It's first thing in the morning here. I'm pretty dehydrated. So let's get that on there. You can see that there's a bigger blood drop there, and you just let it drop onto the filter paper. You don't want like your finger to touch the paper too much because you don't want it to clot, so you're just collecting the sample there. That there. They give you 2 lancets, so if you can't get enough blood sample with the one, you can choose to go again. And you just want to drop the blood into the circle. You can see just into the circle there. That noise there is just the sound of my clock. Alright, so you can see you've got the blood sample onto there. Let it keep bleeding a little bit more. And then what you do is you take this piece of cotton here, and then I make a little knot with it. Okay, so that gives that a little bandage. Okay, now you want to leave this out to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. So this is a dry blood spot sample, and that means that this has to dry. So don't put it all together too soon. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to show you how to register your Zinzino balance test as you're waiting for this to dry. So let's go and register your balance test now. Go on to zinzinotest.com and click experience a new website. Here you enter in your unique Zinzino test code, which is on the card, and click OK. Then you want to answer the questions. What country are you from? What's your age, your weight and your height? And it will also ask you for your gender. Have you had any supplements before? Which one are you taking? And what type of diet best describes you. Then get notification. Here you want to enter in your phone number and your email. So once the test is ready, they will contact you by email and by text. So this is when you can go in and view your results. Okay, it's as simple as that. So it's been about 10-15 minutes and my blood sample there is dry, and you see you want to put this into the Zinzino sleeve. From there, once it's inside that, you want to put it into this biohazard foil in here, and so that's going to keep drying it further because there's a bit of a dry pad inside. Then you want to put it into the Norwegian company one because that's what gets sent in to Norway. And then from here you want to put it into your Zinzino, the Queensland one. I also would then write there, so who's sending it where from, and then you just need to go put a stamp on this one and then send it off to Queensland. And I send it all within the same day that I do the testing. Do send it immediately. I do recommend using the express post, and that ensures that you get your test results back within the 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, that's how you do your Zinzino balance test at home. Okay, any questions, just flick me an email.